sneeze, please let me bless you. Just this one time once, and for all throughout the rest of your lifetime. If you need a confirmation, just burp it out, and I will interpret it without a doubt. You're hearing from the Lord, the Lord, the Lord. I look forward to my readings every day from Freya Ray to Seema and Jadina Summerlee, Shelley, Mystic, Rose, and Annabelle. Do you know Derek Bros? I seen a foul face mask behind you one day to say these readings are all about me. Is ridiculous, however, do you think about me the way I think about you, y'all? Someday we'll all meet and greet. It's been a treat, not a trick, since I wrote Yensin on my movie flick. I'm coming soon to a theater near you. Seen a foul face mask behind you one day to say these readings are all about me. It's ridiculous, however, do you think about me the way I think about you, y'all? Someday we'll all meet and greet. It's been a treat, not a trick, since I wrote Yensin on my movie flick. I'm coming soon to a theater near